Gong has spent over a decade studying the ancient techniques of handmade paper production. Handmade paper can only be produced in small batches, so Gongbin only takes customized orders. Based on different requirements, he selects the most suitable raw materials and production methods to make sure that every sheet of paper he produces is of the highest quality. After nearly 2 years of research, Du Weisheng and Gongbin chose mulberry bark as their basic raw material. They made countless trials and careful pH tests before finally producing the optimal paper for restoring the Tang classics.
因为现在我们用的纸呢，每年用了多少？你比如我说这种，我要求非常高，啊，但是我的用量非常低，所以一般大厂的呢，他就不愿意给你干。我估计就是能够满足我们要求的那个，在全国来讲找不出10家来，龚老师其中一家。